Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today we're going to be making shrimp lo mein. So let's cook. Okay, so for time purposes, I went ahead and pre-cut my vegetables. So the thing about lo mein is you can really put in whatever you want to put in. So for my lo mein, I cut up 1.5 carrots. I have about 3/4 of a cup of cabbage. I cut up about 1.5 small onion. I have about a tablespoon of fresh garlic, a tablespoon of fresh ginger, some snow peas, and I have some Napa cabbage here. So this is what I'm going to be putting inside of my shrimp lo mein. Before we get started, we want to start by making our sauce. And you want to start with 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Next, you need about 1.5 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Then about 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. And lastly, about 1 teaspoonful of sesame oil. And you want to mix this up. So I have my wok preheating on high heat right now, and this is about 1 pound of shrimp. So we're going to take this over to the wok so we can cook this up. I see smoke coming up out of my pan, so I'm going to add in a little bit of oil, and I'm just going to go ahead and add our shrimp. And I'm just going to saute these until they get a golden color. And I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use any high heat oil you want to use. Okay, now that we have that nice sear on these shrimp, I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of that oil back into my pan. And I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables in. And you want to add that garlic and ginger in as well. You just want to saute these up. Now remember, when you're sauteing these up, you don't want mushy cabbage or mushy greens. You just want to cook these up until they're fork tender. So now I'm going to add my shrimp back in and mix that in. Now I'm going to turn my flame off and cook the rest through residual heat. So now I'm going to add my noodles into my pan. And we're going to pour that sauce on top. And we're going to mix this up. Lastly, you just want to go in with some fresh cut green onion and mix those in. Now we're ready to plate this up. Okay guys, so here is our food all plated up. And that's how I make my shrimp lo mein. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.